Of a chair, and I'll talk you through the breathing meditation. So there are many different breathing techniques in Qigong, and we were doing a technique earlier, breathing in and out through the nose. That's one of the best ways, most efficient ways to breathe. And the other way, well, another way is what we call body breathing. You imagine every cell of the body is breathing, or the body is being breathed by the universe. So we're actually letting go of the effort to breathe. Sometimes it's quite an effort to breathe. So with this one, just imagine that every tiny cell is exchanging energy and air with the universe around us. So best way to do it is just close. Actually, we can do this one. Come up. This one just helps to clear the head before we start. Clear the mind. Hands facing up. Come down, cross the wrists. Come down, close the fingers, rest them on the knees. Then just feet onto the earth, onto the ground. Close the eyes gently. We can start breathing just using the nose, and I'll talk us through this. So breathing in through the nose is breathing all the fresh air in. Put a smile on the face. Breathing out through the nose. It's like breathing out stuffy air or smoky air. Breathing in through the nose. Breathing out. The tongue can rest on the upper palate of the mouth. And when you rest the tongue there, you notice quite a lot of saliva created, which is a good sign for the breathing and for the energy. Just swallow deeply the saliva. Then gradually imagine every cell of the body is breathing by itself. The universe is breathing you. The universe is enabling you to breathe. You're being breathed by the universe. So drop the effort of the breathing. Just notice the difference. So this helps to rest all the internal organs, rest the mind, oxygenate the body more. One idea I like to remind myself of, especially during challenging times like this, is to be grateful for so many things we take for granted. The basics, like the fact that we can be home, we can have enough food, we can be safe, we can work on self-care in different ways. We have more time to ourselves and for others. So even with the challenges, to remind ourselves what we're grateful for, and that reduces stress for sure, reduces anxiety, and boosts the immune system. Gratitude is an energy. Every cell breathing, it's almost as if you stop breathing, but of course you haven't stopped. It's just so subtle that the body becomes part of the universe around us, the chi and the body all together. When we're relaxed like this, if we do hear sounds, we're not bothered by them. Often when we hear sounds, we're disturbed. When you're in a good state, it's a good test to notice that we're not disturbed. In China, often the masters, Qigong masters, go to practice in the marketplace just to test their resolve, how calm they can remain amidst the chaos. So when we have this kind of breathing, it's like the calm amidst the storm that's around us. And it's very useful to just go into this deeper state. Just reinforce the idea, every cell breathing. Feeling you're not sure where the body starts, where the energy around us, the air around us begins. It's almost like the air, the energy can dissolve together with the body very spacious, open. Gradually can move the fingers, move the toes, move the fingers, move the toes, become clearer. Do some rubbing of the hands. Clean off from the face. Sometimes, even though we've worked on the body, the face also can hold worry and tension. So before sleeping as well, this is quite good to do. Just clean off the day's worries. Clean the division between the hair and the face. Push the hair to the back. This helps to clear the mind as well, and thoughts a bit. And then the most effective is just energetically move the energy front to the back. Breathe in deeply. Clean off from the shoulders to the hands. Space between the fingers, clean. So that's the breathing, and you can do the breathing anytime, even with your eyes open. If you're with other people, you can just go into that deeper state of breathing. If you're in a queue waiting, to get into the supermarket, the other day I was at Waitrose, I had to wait an hour to get in. And just be present. When you're present, then everything is more relaxed. You can just do your practice wherever you are.